Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time being here, make sure to click the subscribe button. Also click the notification bar so that you get notifications every time I post a video. Today I'm going to be doing a back to school haul. I feel like I was a lot smarter with shopping this year for my back to school. I wanted to do staples, things that I can pair with many outfits. And I wanted to share that with you and show you what I got. Alright, let's just get started. Alright, so the first thing I got was this denim top, and I really wanted like a denim top for like maybe leggings, cute pair of sandals. I feel like it's a staple. You could wear it all year round, which is really nice. I have a dress like this, but I really wanted to just get like a top. But yeah, really love this. I love denim, so this is really nice. The next thing I got was from PacSun. It's this Brandy Melville like kind of like, I guess it is oversized like sweater, like pullover sweater. It's really cute. And by the way, I don't know if you know this, and I don't know if the person at PacSun was telling me some like fake lies, but did Brandy Melville change their brand name? Because they told me they did. Like at PacSun they told me, oh, Brandy Melville, it's the same company except they just changed the name. I don't know what the name is. I can't remember. I went on the website thinking that maybe they changed the website name. They didn't. So like I'm just like very confused. So if you work at PacSun, let me know if that's true. This is like a beige color, so it really can go with anything. You can pair it with different scarves. I'm excited for this. I think, like I said, like I'm just trying to go for more staples and things that will go with everything. Cute. The next thing I got was this like high neck dress. This is like something I think is so cute. I think it just hits right above the knee, which is perfect. Obviously I would wear this with like a jean jacket because dress code. But yeah, yeah, I feel like I should wear this for the first day of school. I have a feeling I probably will. Or maybe just go casual. Like, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think cute little dresses like this are just so adorable. So yeah. The next thing I got was from Abercrombie. And I really needed just another cardigan. This is a very like oversized, long cardigan. You know how they are, like they always go oversized at Abercrombie, and I just fell in love with it. I just think it's so cute. It has pockets, which is nice. You could put your phone in there. And yeah, and I also got this on sale because I went to the outlet and I think it was like 30% off. So I don't know, I think it was like 30 bucks. So I'm like really happy that I got that. I just really needed a cardigan, so yeah, it's super long as you can tell. Oh, by the way, do you like my hair? I just did a little change. I feel like I needed it. Sometimes you just need a change in your life. The next thing I got was from Zoomies. I really wanted just like a long sleeve shirt, so I got this Thrasher shirt. I used to have a few and then we gave them away. I don't know why. I think we just got sick of them, but yeah, I just got another one. I don't remember. Yeah, I don't think I had this one, but I had like just the black and white one. And yeah, I really like this. This is gonna be fun to wear just like with a pair of leggings, maybe Converse, you know. So yeah. And how much did I have? This was 34 bucks. So yeah. The next thing I got was just this plain like salt and pepper top. It has like kind of like cuffed sleeves, and I just thought it was really cute. It looked really flattering on me, and again, this is something you can really pair with anything. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. I wish I could show you better. Like I don't really know how to show you. So yeah, I'm really excited to wear this because it'll be cute. It's just like it's hard because like you want to wear like all your new clothes in the first week. I'm trying not to do that. I'm not going to do that. I want to get like a clothing rack so that I can make a bunch of outfits and kind of separate it, you know. So yeah, we'll see about that. The next thing I got was these two just like these plain shirts, like It has a pocket. It's kind of hard to see because it's like fully white, and then I also like that it has like a little tie at the bottom. I feel like this is so cute, and I think I can take it off too. Yeah, I can untie it, which is nice. But yeah, I thought this was really cute, and I also got one in gray because I just thought it would be a good idea to get one in gray because I don't have a shirt like this in gray. So yeah, this is kind of like I feel like it could be like a cute off the shoulder with like a cute bralette, you know? So yeah, where's the tie? Let me find it. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, so really cute. Really excited about that. And also it does have the pocket. Alright, so the next two things I got were leggings because I wear leggings a lot. I wear them for most of my outfits, so I wanted to get at least 2 other pairs. The first pair I got are these Under Armour leggings. They're just the traditional leggings. It has the little Under Armour right here by the knee. So yeah, these are such good material. This is actually my first pair of Under Armour leggings. So let's see how that goes. Sometimes like leggings are weird just in general. So hopefully these are really nice and comfortable. I went a size up because I didn't want to risk them being too sheer or see-through, but I think they'll be fine. I think they'll be good. So yeah, super excited about that. Now I don't really have to worry about running out of leggings, which is going to be nice. And then I also got these pair of leggings. What brand is this? This is what the logo looks like. These are my favorite pair of leggings, by the way. If you want a good pair of leggings, get these at Kohl's. They're amazing leggings. They last forever. These are called Tech Gear. So good. Perfect leggings. I think these were more than the Under Armour ones, surprisingly. These were $44, and I think the Under Armour... Oh, just kidding. These are $45. Oh, I thought I got them for cheaper. No, these are $45, these are $44, so they're literally about the same. And yeah, they're just the traditional regular leggings, just like the Under Armour. I always go for these. These are my go-tos. Alright, so the last things I got were shoes because I needed to get some like new pairs of shoes just to like incorporate with my outfits. I got these Lauren Conrad sandals. They're just like these pink suede sandals, and yeah, they're so cute. They're like a baby pink. I think they kind of look nude on camera, but no. Actually, I think they are nude. They looked more baby pink to me in the store, but I think they're nude, yeah. But they're really cute. Next pair of shoes I got were a pair of flats. These, okay, again, these look like they're nude. They are, I don't know. Am I like blind? Okay, out of the light, they look baby pink, but I don't know. I never liked flats, but I feel like I always go through these. I'm like, oh, I wish I had a pair of nice flats right now. I always say that to myself sometimes when I put my outfits together, and I want to get a pair of flats. So first year since I was little, I'm gonna wear flats this year. So yeah, I'm excited. These are gonna be cute. They're more of like a pointed toe. So yeah, they're not really round, which I didn't want to do the round because I felt like that looked a little immature. So I did the pointed toe. The last pair of shoes I got were these Converse. These are like the traditional white Converse, except these are kind of like, they have less laces, I guess. Like, I don't really know how to explain what these are. You've definitely seen them before. I have millions of pairs of white Converse. I don't have this style. So yeah, I had to get a pair of these. Very simple, very cute. So that's it for my back to school haul. I wanted to just get a few staples, things that will last me a long time and that I can pair with many outfits. I think I did pretty good this year, and for everybody going back to school, I wish you the best of luck, and yeah, I'll see everybody next time. Bye guys!